Okay, so we're going to use the calculator and matrices to solve these systems of linear equations. So first we set up the matrix. We have two equations, and then we have three columns. So this is going to be a 2 by 3 matrix. So 2 rows, 3 columns. What we do is we just pull the coefficients from the equations, leaving the variables behind. And so this is x, y, and the right-hand side. And now we are ready to go to our calculator. Okay. So once we have our calculator, we go to matrix. Okay. We go to edit, and we can select one that's already a 2 by 3. So if we didn't have one, we would set that up. Now we enter our matrix. So there we go. Once I get the matrix entered, I leave. I go back to matrix, and this time I choose math, and I'm looking for RREF. There's REF. I don't want that one. It requires me to do more work. So I choose RREF. I go back to matrix. Okay. And I choose the name of my matrix. I choose A. Okay. That didn't work very well. Let's try again. Matrix, math, RREF. Second matrix, the name of the matrix. And I get 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 4. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 4. I'm going to go back to the other part, and I do the RREF with my calculator, and I get 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 4. Now, the first column was the X, the second column was the Y, the third column was the B. So what this says is that 1x is equal to b, so x equals 1, and y equals 4. So that would be that's my solution. I enter it into my math lab as an ordered pair 1, 4. Okay, now this one is not quite in the right form. It's got y on one side, but it's got x on the other. So I'm going to begin by making it look like the other equations. So I get 6x plus 2y equals 7, and I get 3x plus y equals 2. So that cancels over there. Okay, now I'm ready for my matrix. 6, 2, 7, 3, 1, 2. And that's what I put into my calculator. So I do so go back to matrix. We're going to edit. You can choose a new one or the one we've been using. And 6, 2, 7, 3, 1, 2. Okay, done. Quit. Now I can do second entry and redo that one. Comes out to be a fraction. So I go, whoops, I don't need the second button. Math frac. And so this one has a little problem here. So let's go back to the other screen and write that down and talk about how to interpret the answers there. So we do RREF on that, and we get 1, 1/3, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what this says is that 0x, so remember this is the x column and the y column. X column, y column. The x column for this bottom row, that says that 0x plus 0y equals 1, which is just not true. So this equation this system has no solution. Okay, now we're going to go to we're going to go up to 3 variables. And so it's the same kind of thing. We take the coefficients from each row and put them into a matrix. So we get 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, -2, -1, 1. And then 2, -1, -2, -1. Okay, now this has 3 rows and 4 columns, so it is a 3 by 4 matrix. We still have the first column is X, second column is Y, third column is Z. Okay, so we go to the calculator. We go to Matrix. Go to Edit. I have a 3 by 4, so I'm going to pick that one. And it is 1, 1, 1. 4, and then 1, -2, -1. And 1. And then 2, -1, -2, -1. Okay. So we leave, we go back to Matrix, we choose RREF. Go back to Matrix one more time and choose the name B. And there's our result. So we go back. Okay, so like I said, we do RREF on it. We get 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, -1, and 0, 0, 0, 1, 3. So this is the X column, the Y column, and the Z column. What I get is X is equal to 2, Y is equal to -1, and Z is equal to 3. So if I write that as an ordered pair, it's X, Y, Z, so there's 2, -1, 3, and that's what goes into my math lab. Okay, here's one. We've got things missing. So this is really, when I put it into the matrix, it's 1, 1, 0, 4. 0 because there's no Z in the equation, or in that line of the, that line. We get 1, 0, 1, 4, and then 0, 1, 1, 4. So I go and put that in my matrix. Second matrix, edit the 3 by 4. So, whoops. 1, 1, 0, 4. 1, 0, 1, 4. 0, 1, 1, 4. Okay, I've just typed that in, so I'm going to do second entry. And we get that matrix right there. Oops. So the result, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2. So this is the X column, Y column, Z column. And what it says is that X equals 2, Y equals 2, and Z equals 2. So it's an ordered pair. It's 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so that is going to be my matrix. So go to matrix, edit. It's another 3 by 4. So that is 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, 4. And then 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, we got that all entered. We quit. Second entry, and we get that. So look right here. That's going to result in a no solution. So let me write this down real quick so I can copy it. So 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. One, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 1. So as I look at this last row, this is the X column, the Y column, and the Z column in the right-hand side. This says that 0x plus 0y plus 0z is equal to 1, or essentially 0 equals 1. We know that's not true, so that's a no solution. Okay, last one. 1, minus 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 3. So that's what I'm going to put into my calculator. So I go into matrix, edit, and it's a, 3 by 4. And so we get 1, minus 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, and 2 minus 1, 1. equal to 3. Okay, quit. Go back to matrix. Actually, we don't have to do that. We can do second entry. And, oh, I was trying to make one. Oh wait, that's exactly the same one as last time. Where did I enter that thing? Oh, it's an A. Okay, so, okay, go into matrix, go to math, find RREF, and then go back to matrix one more time and choose the name A. And we'll turn that into a fraction. There we go. And so there we see that we're going to get 33/19, 15/19, and 25/19. So when I go back, here, I can go straight to the answer. 3, 3, 15, 25. And there's my answer. That's the last one for this section.